And Mercedes has had a little dirty secret. I have to send a picture to my husband.
Okay, wait, let me see. This is a thingy, right?
Yeah, I know, I could tell.
Who knows when I need a green wig? Jodee.
Okay, so I'm back with my girl Mercedes.
Chaos.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Why you look so pretty?
Because I anchored today. So I'm taking care of work life, and now I'm taking care of home life.
Okay, so we're here with Mercedes because we've been talking a lot about like organizing, getting our life together, and saving money.
Yep.
And Mercedes has had a little dirty secret.
Yeah. I've had this storage unit in here for quite some time. It started out as 1 month, and now it has gone on
Over a year or?
like 3 years. I could have bought like a whole new wardrobe for the whole cost of what I spent here. So yeah, needless to say, it's ridiculous, and Jodee is my savior.
Oh no, please.
She's helping me today.
No, I am on my weekend days. So this is why I look like this, and Mercedes looks like glamour woman as we are going to go and clean out the storage shed. But we're going to go do this. And Mercedes, you know, y'all know because I thrifted with Mercedes. This girl knows a little bit about upcycling. She knows a little bit about sewing, a lot about it actually. So I'm doing this with a very altruistic heart and loving her.
Yeah, right. She's coming to steal my fabric. That's what she's coming. Don't lie to these people.
I love her. I would do it anyways. She knows that. But yeah, I am gonna steal some fabric. All right, let's go see this mess that she's got me into.
Let's go. Jodee, you gonna help me?
Oh God, here we go. Mercedes, this is the making of like a horror film.
Imagine if I'm coming here by myself.
Oh no. No. Wait a minute. It's that's huge. Look. This one is like literally like just a door. This is like a garage door.
Is this mine? Is it me? Am I the drama? I think this is mine.
Oh,
I don't remember it being this big.
Girl. It is yours.
It's not that deep. That's the thing.
Oh my.
Why?
Okay, so it's not that bad. Okay.
It's just wide.
Yeah, it's really not that bad.
It's totally
Okay,
doable,
good.
Right?
Yes. All right, where do you want to start?
All right, let's get the garbage out first.
Well, I don't know what garbage is, girl.
I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
So all these bags. Okay, I thought I had a lot more to throw away, Jodee. I've only got 4 bags. I should throw more stuff away. There's no way.
Okay, so what do you want to keep? Like, what do you really want?
Okay, this is what I use for music.
Is that your boombox?
Yeah. My street performing thing. And this is my little happy holidays mat. I gotta.
That's garbage.
No.
Mercedes.
I just bought this last year.
Look at it.
I just bought this last year.
It's garbage. Throw it away. You can get a better one I'll buy you one for Christmas. Okay? Throw it away. Oh, this is fun.
Oh yeah, that's my grandmother's coat. I'm not giving it
Oh, grandma. What?
Yeah. It's literally.
Come on. This is your
It's got
grandma's?
pockets, I
Yeah, it's got
Yeah.
pockets. Do I look like fashion?
You look. These were boots that I said I was gonna keep, but am I ever really gonna wear?
You are not gonna wear. She's had a baby.
Oh my God, that
No.
doesn't mean anything.
You're not. Okay. When are you gonna wear those again?
So I got.
Where'd you
I
get
got
those
3
from? Like
pairs.
Shoe Dazzle?
Yes.
Yeah.
How did you know?
Because
Now,
I
these
know.
are Doc Martens, so I don't.
Oh,
Wanna,
I would keep those.
I don't want to give these up.
Are you gonna really wear those? That's a cute little bag. I love that little vintage
Right,
purse. Yep.
yeah.
And this is cute too.
Yeah, this lady, she made it. She has a African shop. What is her
That's
name? Of her
pretty.
shop? Sweet Octavia
Isn't
Accessories.
that cute? That's so
Yeah.
cute. You shoes everywhere, girl.
I know, that's my problem.
You like shoes?
Yeah.
I like jackets.
Jodee, I've got a problem with everything. Shoes, jackets, fabric, hair. These boots I have never worn.
Those are cute.
Do you want them?
I would totally wear these.
When I pulled it out the bag, it looked nothing like
It's
what
pretty
I
though.
wanted. It's really pretty. And I feel like I was holding it because this could be some girl's prom dress. I don't know. Do you like it?
It's very pretty. I mean, it also looks award ceremony to me.
You want it?
I'm not up for an award.
You don't know. Season has just begun.
Do you need it? Are you going to do something with it?
You never know when I need a blonde Beyonce wig. Who knows when I need a green wig? And I don't know what the hell this is. I should probably fill this stuff over.
Oh, yeah.
Jodee, no. Oh my god. Wait, could I still wear that?
Yes, you can, girl.
Is
Look
that
at that.
new?
Oh my god, look up here.
What's that?
It's right here.
Jodee, you look crazy. Jodee, I'm not gonna wear this wig.
You're not?
I'm not. I really am not. I can't be.
Does it look like me? Does it look good on me?
No, Jodee.
No?
Now these are a good pair of red shoes. I should keep.
Yes, those are pretty. This is pretty. What are you doing
What
with
is
this?
that?
This is
What
pretty.
is that? I don't know, Jodee.
Mega Brazilian. I can't believe you can't be bothered with this beautiful wig. Okay, I'm gonna put it on.
It's synthetic.
Ugh.
Jodee, you don't even know how to put on a wig.
I've never worn a wig. I got too much hair on my own.
Yeah, I know, right? Wait, hold on. Man, I got a small head.
Come on, my husband wants.
Wait.
No.
You call this like a
My husband says he wants me to grow back my hair. I'm gonna send him a picture. I'm so sweaty right now. I'm having a hot flash. Oh, I feel so sexy.
You should see you look crazy as hell.
I'm so shy.
Oh, wait. Put on the jacket.
Oh, yes. One in a million. Love until the day I die. I have to send a picture of my husband.
Wait, let me see.
I don't know how you wear these things. It's so hot in there.
That's why I'm saying.
Woo!
I want to go back to synthetic hair.
Holy cow.
Yeah, this one. Oh my god, you're so much better as a blonde.
Really?
My god, you should see yourself. Wait. I don't think it'll fit you.
What?
Because it barely fits me.
And am I that much fatter than you?
No, you're not.
I'm just
fatter.
kidding. I'm just kidding.
Your hip, you just have more hips. You want that? You can have that.
That's really cute.
Everybody gets me compliments on that, but I just want it.
What? I was like, why don't you want it then?
That holds my guitar when I travel. I need that.
What guitar?
In my house, I have a guitar.
You play guitar?
I don't play, but I'm going to learn before I turn 40. I mean 50. I'm going to learn. Shut up.
You said this.
Shut up! I'm going to learn.
This is my guitar. I use it when I travel. You play guitar? No, but I'm going to learn it by the time I turn 40 or 50.
But it doesn't need to go back home with me now. I can't wear it.
No, it's going home.
No.
Everything is coming out of here.
I can't. Where am I going to put it?
Mercedes, you're going to pare down what you want to be fitting in this. It's cute.
Jodee, you're not helping me.
Well, because you're just going through stuff.
What do you want me to do? I can't just...
Tell me what I could do.
This is all the fabric. Start going through the fabric.
Everything I do.
Guess what? It's gonna be me.
These are my hiking boots. I keep those.
How much hiking do you do?
I'm going to hike with my daughter all the time. Shut it.
My husband said, you're gonna go help Mercedes clean out her storage shed? I said, yeah. He goes, how much stuff does she have? I said, she just has fabric. He goes, fabric that's coming to my house? No, Donovan, not at all.
Not at all.
You're really gonna keep this? Okay. You're gonna go to Italy and be like, sitting on, while your husband drinks wine?
Yeah.
No, you're not gonna do that, but okay.
Oh, this is my favorite dress. Oh my gosh, I didn't look for this. Do I need this? I don't need this. Do I need this? I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need it.
This is something you started?
Yeah, it was a dress. Yeah.
So cute, wouldn't it?
Then,
With like a black belt and a black top.
yeah.
It's got a zipper in it too.
So that's the back of the
Oh.
shirt. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Girl, you are already 5'9". You got these damn heels that put you up into the high sky.
I need that. I'm sorry. Jodee, I need that for work.
Girl, I need stretchy too.
No, sorry.
I'm the one that's gonna sew, not you.
There's more in there. I'm gonna sew officially.
Seriously. Oh, I'm keeping this. I don't care if you want it or not. Stretchy. And it's so cute.
Ooh. Oh, you know what that was?
No.
You're so funny. You got it on all wrong.
Well, I didn't even know it was really something.
Yeah.
Oh.
It was a bikini cover up.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Oh my gosh, my pink dress. Oh my gosh, like that's so much winter stuff. I don't need to buy anything else. Oh.
Put it with some cute little tights and little ankle booties. That's actually cute. Show the camera. You're so good. Isn't that cute? She makes this stuff, you guys. I'm here helping because I'm like, I'm going to be in my sewing era.
Hey now. Oh, my blue dress. Is this jacket something?
It's a donation.
Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag. Oh my gosh, I've got 3 new dresses I can wear to work.
Hey.
Oh, my jacket, my fall jacket. I love this jacket so much. I bought this at the thrift store with you.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Mhm.
So just put them in there so that way you have
till
them.
the end of the month to be out of here anyway. So
We're getting this stuff out now. I'm not delaying it. You would be doing this to me.
where to put it?
We're gonna throw away a majority of stuff.
Okay, we'll figure it out. All right, so this is garbage.
God, I have to get into my sewing era. I need to be good at it.
You get good at it by sewing. Here's the other hiking shoe.
Like you're gonna hike, but okay.
I am. Oh my God.
I'm so proud of you.
This is your hiking bag.
Girl, you do not hike. You know what you're gonna do? If you're gonna go pretend to hike and take pictures, that's what you're gonna do.
Same thing. You want to see something cool?
Ooh, those look fun.
I'm gonna learn how to skate. I don't care.
Yeah, just like you're gonna learn how to play guitar,
Yeah.
and you're gonna learn how to hike.
Eat your words. When I learn how to do all of this crap,
And you're gonna learn how to hike.
I'm gonna do hiking. I'm gonna play guitar. I'm going to roller skate. I know how to roller skate. I just need to learn how to do it backwards.
And she's gonna do it all together at once.
You watch. Hold my music
When you learn how to play guitar.
Play guitar.
Cheers.
Oh look, we thrifted this together.
Oh my God.
Sweater.
Get rid of it. Wonder
Wonder
Woman.
Woman. What if I have a Halloween party? Oh, my hiking ice things. You put them on your shoes and they break through the ice. I never use them.
And you're never gonna, but okay. Put them with your hiking boots.
I'm gonna use them. This is a thingy, right?
Yeah, I know, I could tell.
If you're hiking on long hikes,
Put water in it. I know. I know.
and then you stuck on it. I should keep this, right?
Sure. For those hikes.
No way you get it. Oh look, my hiking sticks.
You got a lot of hiking stuff. Like you're really gonna do something.
Come on, Jodee. Come on, Jodee.
Yes.
Come on, Jodee. Well, I just so well.
What are you calling her? Coella?
Well,
We did it. Okay, see, it really wasn't that bad, was it?
yes, it was.
Aww.
But you finally got me to do it, and I'm gonna be saving $150 a month.
See, that's so much money. Now you could put it like towards something else that like serves you. And that's why I've been doing a lot of crazy stuff at my house, like trying to get it all organized. And I know you want it to be like, well, I have till the end of this month. I could come back and get stuff. But, you know, if you don't just like go for it,
Right.
It's never going to happen.
And then even the little stuff that I'm going to be bringing home, it still will force me to even purge that even more when I get home if I don't have space for it.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
So, yes, we did it. I'm so happy for you. Yes.
I feel so accomplished today.
She's going to take me to lunch with that 150. Yes.
She's got like $300 worth of fabric. Oh my God.
We have a whole truck full of stuff we're going to dispose. And Mercedes is only keeping that little bit. The two things, the purple thing and the black thing, are mine, and everything else is Mercedes. So she's keeping only that and that. I'm so proud of her. Woo! Thank you so much to Mercedes for joining me on this show. Mercedes will be back next week with me. I'm going to do a haul of the items that she gave me, and she has agreed to teach me how to sew my own skirt with the fabric I got from her based off of a thrifted skirt that I really, really love. You're going to want to tune in next week. We have so much fun together, and we really appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget, this is all about beauty on a budget, looking like $1 million, but not spending $1 million. And if you like that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.